Hey there, welcome to MilesR&Beats. Up late last night, made some smooth music for you to listen to, and hopefully you can get something out of this. Tell me what you think. Let's get right into it. As you see here, I always start with the Kong drum set. It's my favorite drum set. I'm sure there are many others out there, but I love how this one works nice and easy. And what I've done today is I've started my, like I said last time I did this, I always use a double track for my drums. And today I added some reverb to it, and it sounds really smooth and a little different. So here's the drum track with the reverb. And what I'll do is I'll start it without it and I'll add it to it as you're listening to it. I'm going to put it on bypass right now. Okay, here is the drum track without the reverb, and then I will put it on halfway through. So you can see the difference between the two. And it may sound a little weird now, but with the music it sounds very deep. Has a really nice sound to it. My next track is with a grain sample manipulator. This machine works very well. I love how this sounds, very unique sounds, and it makes it easier for me to put a whole track out there. It works very nice. It has really nice sounds in it. Get used to this one because you'll like this one. So here it is with the grain sample manipulator. Has a very nice sound to it. I love how it sounds, very deep. It sounds great. On my next track, what I did was add a little bit of scratching to it by running my thumb across the mic, and it worked out pretty good. So all I did was let me show you how it sounds with a little bit of mic scratching in this song. It sounds pretty good. On my next track, I add a little bit of guitar to it. Came out really nice, and you know, I just add these little things in here to give the song a little more, and it sounds really good in my opinion. I hope you like it too. And for my final track, I used Thor. I haven't used this in a while, but because I'm trying out all the new stuff, but I always go back to it one time or another. And on top of the Thor, I used an Audiomatic effects that gives it a little bit different sound. And if you have this effect, you gotta use it. It works really nice, has really nice stuff in it. So I'll give you my last track and let you hear the whole song. go. There's my song. I hope you like it. Nothing really fancy, very smooth, very subtle. You can add stuff to it, you can sing to it, you can rap to it. Very easy to get along with, like all my music. So give me the thumbs up, tell me what you think, subscribe to my channel, tell me what you want to hear. Is it too slow, is it too fast? Let me know. I kind of like it this way. Look for something next week. I'll be back with something new. And hopefully you'll like it. Come on back to me. And we'll keep it going. I will talk to you next time. Later.